Hi everybody, my name is John Hughes and I'm the music director of the Chicago Master Singers. We're really excited because we're about to launch our next initiative, Chicago Master Singers University. This is going to be a fun program each Monday night beginning August 24th at 7 p.m. and it's going to be a YouTube live stream where you can interact with me as we discuss and explore lots of different musically enriching topics. We'll start with Mozart's Requiem. We're going to talk about Gregorian chant, musicianship, have composers join us, including Elaine Hagenberg and Philip Stopford. It's going to be a really fun time. Now, to get in on the fun, you need to register because that's how you're going to get the link to the YouTube live stream. It's completely free, but we do need you to register. So I'm going to show you how. Let me share my screen here. So all you do is go to our Eventbrite page, and there's a link in the description to this video here. So you go to this, you can see again a description about what we're going to be doing, a complete course schedule so you can see what's coming up ahead, and even a preview video that I made in July. So after you've perused that, you click this green button that says register, and you go through and you can select as many of these as you want. Hopefully it's all of them. Because each one's going to be a little bit different. And for time's sake, I'm just going to do the first 4 here. And then I'm going to click this reddish-orange button that says register. Okay, it'll load, and then you need to fill out your name and email address. And again, we're not going to be sending you a lot of emails or anything, but this is how you will be getting the link to the live stream. So it's really important that you fill that out. Again, now that they have your contact information, you do have to fill it out one more time, just so that they've got it. But for subsequent ones, after you fill out what they call registration 1, for any other one, you can just select this one and it'll auto-populate all the other ones. And then once you've completed all of them, you click this orange button, register, and you're done. I hope this was a helpful tip on how to get involved in CMS University. Again, we're really excited about this project, and we hope that not only you participate, but maybe you invite some friends or family members or anyone who loves choral music to tune in. It'll be a great opportunity to stay musically active during this pandemic. I hope you're doing well, and I hope to see you in class starting on the 24th. Have a good day.